This cordless plastic welder kit gives you genuine go-anywhere flexibility, letting you repair bumpers, toys, and household plastics without hunting for a power outlet or fighting a cord. 3 clearly defined heat settings that span typical thermoplastics make it easy to match the temperature to the material, so you are far less likely to scorch or underheat a repair. The tool heats up in just a few seconds and then cools itself efficiently with side vents and automatic overheat protection, which inspires confidence during longer repair sessions. Thoughtful ergonomics, including a grippy rubber handle and built-in light, make the welder comfortable to hold and surprisingly precise even when you are working in awkward or dim spaces. The included assortment of staple shapes and the ability to work on everything from automotive panels to kayaks and garden furniture turn this into a versatile fixer for cracked or broken plastic. Because the kit arrives with staples, cutting tools, a charging cable, and clear instructions, most users can start repairing plastic projects right away without needing extra purchases.